So, what did you eat today? Rice or chapati? Maybe with pulses or vegetables? And what are you wearing? Cotton, silk or synthetic? Anyway, you must be wondering why I am asking. Whatever you have eaten today and whatever you are wearing, all that is due to carbon and its compounds. There are so many compounds that are made of carbon that we can say that one claim is almost 10 million compounds are made of carbon, or at least 3 million compounds we know, and we know their formulae. So everything, whether it is protein or fat or carbohydrate, all are made of carbon, and also simple compounds like carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. So there must be a lot of carbon available? Not really. On Earth's crust, there is only 0.02%. Earth's crust. And in air, of course you must be knowing, 0.03%. In an ionic compound, when the bond is electrovalent, electrons are either lost or they are gained. When electrons are lost, it becomes a negatively charged particle, an anion, and when the electrons are lost, then it becomes positively charged particle, a cation. Now let us take the case of carbon. Carbon has atomic number 6, which means there are 6 protons and 6 electrons. Now let's see what is its configuration. Its configuration is that there are 2 electrons in K shell, and in the L there are 4. Now as you know, every atom is all the time striving to attain a noble gas configuration, which means that there will be 8 or 2 electrons in the outermost orbit. So to be able to achieve that situation, there can be 2 ways. First way is that 4 electrons are gained. So if 4 electrons will be gained, then electrons will become 10 while proton will be 6. How will 6 positive charge manage 10? It cannot. And if it does, then the carbon will become C minus 4. That is anion. Okay. What is the second situation? 4 electrons are lost. If 4 electrons are lost, then the protons will be 6 and electrons will be 2. That means to be able to allow electrons to move away from the effect of nucleus, the 6 protons, lot of energy will be required. And if it happens, then it will become C positive 4 or a cation. But both these situations are not possible.